Welcome to our deep dive into the 7 principles of quality management as defined by ISO 9001-2015. These principles aren't just boxes to tick on a certification checklist. They're a roadmap to building an organization that consistently exceeds customer expectations. Think of truly great companies, the ones that inspire a loyal following. What sets them apart is a deep understanding of why they do what they do, reflected in every interaction with their customers. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore each principle in depth, uncovering not just what they are, but why they matter and how they can transform your approach to quality.
Every organization exists for one fundamental reason: to serve its customers. But true customer focus goes beyond simply meeting stated needs. It's about deeply understanding your customers' aspirations, their pain points, and anticipating their future needs. Imagine a company that produces hiking boots. They could focus on simply creating durable, functional footwear. Or they could delve deeper, understanding that for their customers, hiking is more than just an activity. It's a passion. This customer-centric approach fosters loyalty and turns customers into passionate advocates.
Strong leadership is the bedrock of any successful organization, especially in quality management. Leaders set the tone, articulate the vision, and inspire their teams to strive for excellence. A leader who prioritizes quality creates a culture of quality, empowering every team member to contribute their best work.
An organization's greatest asset is its people. When employees feel valued and empowered, they become passionate advocates for quality. Engaging your team means creating an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas and contributing to continuous improvement.
Think of your organization as a complex machine, with each department representing a vital cog. A process-based approach views these parts as interconnected elements within a larger system. By mapping out processes, identifying bottlenecks, and streamlining workflows, organizations can achieve significant gains in efficiency and consistency. It's about understanding that every action impacts the customer experience.
In quality management, complacency is the enemy of progress. The principle of improvement emphasizes continuous learning and adaptation. Regularly reviewing processes and seeking opportunities to innovate ensures you're meeting evolving customer expectations. This commitment to continuous improvement keeps your organization agile and adaptable.
In today's data-driven world, intuition alone is no longer enough to guide effective decision-making. The principle of evidence-based decision-making emphasizes grounding choices in data, analysis, and objective insights. This data-driven approach leads to more informed decisions and fosters a culture of transparency and accountability. When decisions are based on objective data, it's easier to track progress and measure impact.
No organization exists in a vacuum. The principle of relationship management recognizes that success is linked to the strength of relationships with stakeholders. By fostering open communication and building trust, organizations can create a more robust and resilient ecosystem. This collaborative approach benefits everyone involved, including the end customer. The 7 principles of ISO 9001-2015 offer a holistic framework for achieving organizational excellence. It's about embedding a quality-centric mindset into the very DNA of your organization. By integrating these principles, you can drive continuous improvement and achieve greater customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on quality management and organizational excellence.